Have you ever needed to access an app quickly from your lock screen on iOS 18? If unlocking your phone and searching for the app feels like a hassle, stick around. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to access any application directly from your lock screen. Let's dive in. Tap the Customize button, then select Lock Screen. You'll see two buttons on either side of the screen where you can add shortcuts to your favorite apps. If there are any existing shortcuts you want to remove, go ahead and do that now. Next, tap the plus icon in the menu that appears. Scroll down until you find the Shortcuts section, then select the Open App option. On the next screen, tap Choose and browse through the list to select the application you want quick access to. Once you've selected your app, confirm all your changes by tapping the Done button in the upper right corner. And that's it! You can now access your chosen application directly from the lock screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.